Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are in Annapolis on a 52-foot Tiara Sovran that the customer decided to bring back to us all the way from the Hamptons, eastern tip of Long Island. Part of the project he wanted completed this winter was a custom reclining sun pad to accommodate 2 people. He's seen it on some newer style boats and he wanted to include it on his boat to make his wife happy, and that's exactly what we did. So if you see here, we made it completely out of marine starboard plastic, so it's totally safe for the marine environment. You don't have to worry about any rot. We used all stainless steel hardware. We manufactured it to have 2 inclining positions per the customer's request. So the way it works is just lift it up like so. Right there is one position and it locks in place with that snap, and down there is a second position, and we routed out grooves in the base plate to accommodate those supports. As you can see, there's one reclining position, and we'll go over here to the other half and we'll put that in the upper position. As you can see right there, there's the upper position. We're accepting orders for new custom inclining sun pads. Feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.